Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I've been to a lot of the national parks, so I thought it would be really cool to have a little reminder of some of the ones that I haven't visited, and just to have a list, a reminder of all the different parks. So I'm gonna open this up here. Look how thin it comes packed. It's just like sucked out every little ounce of air out of this thing. But it's a tapestry, and I'll show you guys it here, all the different stuff. And if I can open it here. Discover America's Story, the national parks. Okay, so that's what it says right there. And it's pretty big. So I'm going to say it's about probably 4.5 feet wide or long by 2 feet wide or so. So this is it here. And the color is super vibrant. It's got a little picture of the flag on there, but it's got all the different ones here. I'll hang this up here for a second and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Hang it up on my here. Hopefully it'll stick on here because it's got it's kind of a silky. I'm gonna have to stick a pin through it to actually hang it up for real. But I'm gonna show you guys it here. So there, so you can see it's got all these ones here. It's got Acadia on it. We've got American Samoa, Arches. I want to go there. Big Bend, I think it's here in Texas. But then it's got all these ones here. Saguaro, I used to go there a lot from when I lived in Arizona. Mesa Verde too, another Arizona one. But all these ones here, Petrified Forest, it's got Sequoia, it's got, well, I guess it's got all these national parks. So really cool. So if you're into visiting national parks and you want to just kind of see a picture of them all, or if you have like certain things, you could probably put stickers on them or something like that to know which ones you've gone to. Maybe I'll do something like that. This is super nice though. Maybe I'll iron it a little bit just to get some of these creases out. Actually, I'll steam it. I have a steamer. But it's really nice, but it even looks good without it. So I like this, and this is my park story right there. That's where you can mark your stuff. And let's see, what was the little card that it came with? Oh, it's 40 by 60. That's the size. And that's what it looks like there. But the colors, man, even the colors on the picture or on the listing didn't look as good as the pictures in real life. This is amazing. So I love it. Thumbs up for sure.